see that from a cat.
Grayson does it all the time.
Yes?
Mhm.
Well, then you're a pretty good cat. See, he's doing it right. Oh, good Grayson. He already knows a trick. So far, Pruny knows 2 tricks. I don't know why. I'm just really good at teaching cats tricks. I don't know why. I just am.
Oh, go in for the belly.
Oh. Hold on, Grayson. 1 second. There you go. Sorry if I touch your neck, Grayson. Sorry if I do. I don't mean to. There you go. He's purring. That's good.
And Prue is watching carefully from behind you.
So, oh, did I touch your neck? Did I?
I think he just wants to play.
Grayson, sorry if I did, Grayson.
There's so much padding there, I don't think it would hurt him.
Oh, thank you. Thank God. I'm so worried. Like, I don't want to be bit by a cat, especially a kitten.
Oh, especially him?
Yes.
He who draws so much blood?
Yes. That's the one thing I don't want to do. Oh, he just give me a little nibble, like Prue does every once in a while. Prue give me a little nibble. Give me a little nibble. Oh, he's starting to get used to me. I think you're recording it?
Mm-hmm.